What questions are you going to be asked when you call a Social Security Disability Attorney's office and are going through the intake process? Hey, I'm Social Security Disability Attorney Nancy Cavey, and when you call our office, you're going to be pre-screened by my staff to determine whether or not you meet our case criteria. And in that screening process, our intake folks are going to be asking you several very important questions. The first question they're going to ask you is your date of birth and your age. The second question they're going to ask is about your education background. The third question they're going to be asking you is where you've been employed in the last 5 years and what the nature of your job duties have been. They're also going to be asking you about your disabling medical conditions. We want to understand what medical conditions you think result in you being unable to work. And we're going to want to know the diagnosis, the name of the doctor that you're treating with, and the nature of the treatment that you are getting. And we're also going to be asking you about any decisions that you might have gotten from the Social Security Administration. We need to understand whether we've got a timely file and appeal of a denied claim. That has to be done within 60 days. If you meet our case criteria, then an appointment will be scheduled and you get to talk with me. That's going to be a very informative discussion because I think that it's important that you understand the 5-step sequential evaluation test that's used in every case to determine if you meet the Social Security criteria for being disabled. The second thing we're going to talk about is the claims process and what you can expect during the claims process, how we help you with the claims process, and what happens at each stage of the claims process. I'll also explain to you how we get paid. We take cases on a contingency fee basis, and I'll explain the Social Security fee statute. And lastly, I'm going to be asking you if you have any questions that you want answered that would give you peace of mind. We want the experience of calling our office at the intake stage and discussing your case with me to be a very comfortable and smooth process. We look forward to talking with you.